Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Cardano, its valuations against Ethereum, looking at this nice move. And the last couple days have been pretty good moves for Cardano. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below, and also consider subscribing. Cardano is up 8.7% against Ethereum, up 7% against Bitcoin, about 5% against the US dollar, currently trading at $1.48 and a half. Um, Looking at the US dollar, actually, it seems like dollar 16 was the floor, or at least held. Referencing this long consolidation period for Cardano USD. Cardano held this area pretty well in the last year, and we were hoping that would hold again this year as well, and it has, it seems like. Going back to Ethereum, though, past several weeks, uh, we have seen a 46, almost 47% increase over time, but the suspect point is the last RSI peak here on August 23rd, which resulted in roughly the same kind of price valuation against Ethereum here. But it resulted in a lower high against RSI. With that said, with this current trend going up, the point of interest would be here at about 53, 51 RSI. Does this trend actually constitute a downwards line of resistance? If so, then we would see the RSI get rejected off of there and possibly come to a lower low. If not, if this is actually, not, and it kind of breaks through, then we could possibly see, uh, Cardano ETH come up to the 70 range, which is what usually happens with Cardano when rallying from the bottom to the upper bounds of the chart. That's kind of what I'm sure a lot of people are hoping for. But it's hard to say, especially when Bitcoin's the way it is right now. Bitcoin's currently fighting against not necessarily any support right now or resistance, but is kind of just struggling in general, dropping about almost 30% since the peak of $69,000. We know that if Bitcoin is struggling, altcoins tend to struggle even more, and that would fall in line with Cardano as well. So this is just a wait and see kind of play. In my perspective, again, I don't hold any Cardano, but I would like to see Cardano break through this line here and start heading up to the upper bounds of the RSI, which would probably bring it back up into the fold of the upper bounds of the chart here, 0.0008 or so Ethereum. When we look at the Bitcoin chart, it's kind of similar in nature of the RSI, right? We see 3 points of rejection since February 22nd. We see points of resistance on this downward line of resistance, and so it kind of makes you wonder with Cardano, is it able to come up and break through and make a newer high? Remember, we haven't made a new all-time high with Cardano Bitcoin yet. The all-time high is still 8,600 satoshis, so we've yet to get to that level. But this could be the moment where if Cardano does break through, we could see that happen. It's just that there's a lot going against Cardano right now, currently with the market, with Bitcoin. If you look at the Fear and Greed Index, the market's not very too keen about cryptocurrency at the moment. But that doesn't mean it cannot happen. It can, it could happen where Cardano does become an anomaly and outpaces the market entirely. But that's pretty much it, folks. Again, Cardano's holding $1.16 very well, currently at $1.47. Here's hoping that we can make a new all-time high for Cardano if we're able to break the trend. Anyway, that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.